Hey Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and we're back with another video. And as you guys can tell by the title, I'm going to be updating you guys about my pregnancy and so much more. So if you're interested, then just keep on watching. So I know I said I wanted to bring you guys along with this journey, but with the pandemic going on and everything, it was kind of hard to film everything and get in the mood, and I'm stuck in a house and it's depressing. Okay, I'm pregnant on top of that, and I'm a type 2 diabetic and I can't eat what I want to eat. So that made this little process a little bit hard, but I am bringing you the update now. So I am currently 32 weeks and a day. Yeah, 32 weeks and a day. So the time is coming. The due date originally was October 13th, but because I had a prior C-section and I'm a type 2 diabetic, they are going to be doing a C-section again. I did go for ultrasound a couple of months ago, and they tried saying that I had a 58% chance of having a successful VBAC, and I don't know about you, but that means I have like a 42% chance of not having a successful VBAC, and that doesn't sound too safe to me. So I'm gonna take my chances and just get another C-section, because I'm not trying to have anything go wrong with me or my baby during delivery. So now, with that being said, they scheduled the surgery for 39 weeks rather than waiting till 40. So the due date now is October 6th. I'm gonna be completely honest, my first C-section wasn't bad at all. The only part that I hate was the needle, which is always going to be scary for me. I am on insulin. They have increased my dosage quite a bit. I have to take a 22 units at night before I go to sleep, and then I have to take 9 units before lunch and dinner, half an hour before lunch and dinner. So I'm already, also I have to check my blood sugar 4 times a day. So I'm already like stabbing myself like 7 to 10 times in one day, every day. And these are mini needles. The needle for like the C-section to like numb your spine and below is a lot bigger, and it's a lot more painful. So I'm not excited about that part, but everything else I am. I'm super happy that it's a girl. Like, this is so perfect. Like, I have a boy and a little girl, and I'm done. I am done. I'm gonna get tubes tied, or my boyfriend's gonna get something chopped off, because I cannot have any more kids. My first pregnancy was really like pleasant, and this one I'm super miserable. I don't know if it's because I'm stuck in my house or if because it's a girl, I don't know, but I don't want to be pregnant anymore. Like, if I could push her out right now, I would. So my main concern as far as this pregnancy is this baby coming out the same size. My son came out 10 pounds 10 ounces. Again, I had gestational diabetes with him, and it stuck with me after I gave birth. So now I'm a type 2 diabetic, and I really am concerned with her weight. As of right now, my last ultrasound, they said she's right like on schedule as far as her weight. So if I could just keep up with what I'm doing, my insulin shots and my diet, then everything should go as planned. So that is one of my biggest concerns. I'm not really too concerned about the C-section. I did it once, and I mean, I know the more you get, the more riskier it is, but this is my second one, and it's gonna be my last one. So with fingers crossed, please pray for me that my C-section goes well, everything goes according to plan. With the pandemic going on, my next concern is, are they gonna allow the father in the room? Because I need him in the room. I need him or my mom, but mainly him, because he's the father. You did this to me, you're gonna be in the room with me. So now, with the coronavirus going on, my next appointment, I'm gonna see if I can find out if he will be allowed in the room. I would try to insert like an edit clip of me finding out if he's allowed or what they tell me, but I need him in the room, because with my first C-section, I wanted to breastfeed my son, and with the C-section, it hurt to move a certain way and I couldn't feed him, and I feel like that put me in a little bit of a depression. I did have postpartum depression, but that like started it off, I think, because I felt like I couldn't provide for my son as far as breastfeeding, and I know for a fact I'm not even gonna attempt this time, because I know it's gonna put me in that depression state, and I wasn't producing milk either. As of right now, about a week or two ago, I did start leaking, and it has been happening on and off. So I may try breastfeeding. I don't know. It depends on my surgery and how I feel, and if my boyfriend's there or not, and if I can, you know? And that is the worst feeling to me. I think not like feeling like I can't provide for my child. I think that's what put me in a depressed state. I want to be the best mom I can be, and that includes feeding them. So when that happened, that put me in a little funk, and yeah, so I don't know about breastfeeding, but I will try if I feel like it. But I really do hope that they let him in the room, because if not, I'm gonna lose my mind. Already not being able to move and pick up my own son, I need somebody in the room, because the first day you're not like, you don't feel nothing, you don't move. They have like that thing in you where you don't even know that you're using the bathroom in a bag, because I wasn't aware of that until they removed it. But yeah, so that is one of my main concerns as well. I did receive the scheduling letter for my C-section. So there's some precautions with the virus going on that you have to take, and one of them is you have to get tested for the coronavirus, and I'm not excited about that, because somebody told me that to get tested for the coronavirus, they stick a freaking Q-tip swab up your nose. I really hope there's another option for testing, like drawing blood or swabbing my mouth, or like poking me or something. I don't want a Q-tip up my nose. That's just disturbing to me, and I'm not gonna like it. Ugh, it's disturbing me already. So yeah, oh, the name. So my little princess, again, I'm super happy that I'm having a little girl. So we figured out her name about a week or two ago. Me and my boyfriend were brainstorming while we were doing the registry, because we wanted to add her name to the registry, which we didn't even add her name to the registry. But we figured out a name. So for those of you who don't know, I am Hispanic. I am 100% Puerto Rican. I don't speak Spanish often unless it's mandatory, like at work, or if a customer is speaking Spanish to me, then I will speak Spanish. But besides that, I don't feel like it's necessary. Like, English is my primary language. I know Spanish. Like, if you're talking about me in Spanish, I'm gonna know what you're saying, obviously. That's happened to me once, and yeah, that was I got a little hasty, but we're not talking about that. So back to her name. So my boyfriend said the name, and once he said it, I fell in love with the name. So her name is going to be Reina, and her middle name is going to be Lynn. I'm not going to say her last name because it's not necessary, but I love it. So if you are Hispanic, you know what Reina means, and that means queen in Spanish. So I thought that was so beautiful, so unique. I don't know anybody named Reina personally, so for me it's a unique name. Other names we were thinking about were Skylar and Blair. I really liked Alea for some reason. I think that is super unique, but my boyfriend wasn't having it, and I definitely tried going for Serenity because I've always loved the name Serenity for some reason, but he like vetoed that really quick. If you don't know, veto basically means no. So we went with Reina. I love the name, and for my son, when we found out it was a boy, we obviously came up with themes for his room. So his was like blue. Was it blue? Yeah, his theme was blue and gray, and his animal was a whale. And then for her theme is going to be pink and gray, and her animal is going to be an elephant. And also her due date is October 6th. I know I said that already. So listen to how crazy this is. My boyfriend's birthday is October 1st. Her birthday is going to be October 6th, and my birthday is October 10th. So we got 3 Libras here. This is going to be one peaceful, balanced household, I hope. Well, I'm trying to think about anything else I can say. As far as my belly, I'm not comfortable showing my belly around, like showing it to people, so I'm not going to show you my belly, but I will say I am much larger than I was with my son. I really didn't start showing until my baby shower, which I had around like 7 or 8 months, and I'm huge right now and I'm only 7 months. So I can't wait to get this baby out of me. I feel huge. Anytime anyone asks me, how do you feel, or how are you feeling, I say, I feel like a whale, because it's true. I feel like a freaking whale. My son, he'll come up to me and he'll like put both hands on my belly and he'll be like, hi baby, which is the cutest thing ever. Like, this pregnancy has me up and down. I do want to say I did not have morning sickness with this pregnancy, which I'm super grateful for, because my son, I was throwing up for like a whole month. Ugh. But no morning sickness. I can't, like, right now my pregnancy is going so well. So I think that is everything I have to update you guys on. I did get a new car, and I will post a picture here of my baby. She is so gorgeous. I love my car. It is a Jeep Renegade. I freaking love it. I am also on leave due to the virus for my job. So my next big update is that I'm going to be moving. I'm not going to be moving far. I'm literally moving downstairs because there's an extra room and the people downstairs are moving out, and we currently rent from my boyfriend's uncle, so that works out just great. We do need the extra space, and yeah, I will probably try to do an empty house or empty apartment tour when we get there, so stay tuned for that. But I feel like that's everything I needed to update you guys as far as my pregnancy is concerned. If you have any questions about my pregnancy, drop them down below and I will answer them. And yeah, that brings this video to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, drop a thumbs up, comment down below anything. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go. Also, if you are interested in this style lash, they will be available on my website. These are in the style Reina, of course, inspired by my precious little daughter in my belly. So yeah, on that note, I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night wherever you are, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.